Look, do not throw your money out the window. You do not need $40,000 for a new car. Spending that much just to get a few years. That is a bad move, and I will prove it. I am going to show you some real beasts. Engines that can hit 300,000 miles. These bulletproof machines are on used lots right now. Most are priced under $15,000. I have even seen them under $10,000. Yet most buyers just walk right past them. They are looking for the same old shiny toys. Today we are counting down 8 hidden gems. These vehicles are completely flying under the radar. In many cases, they actually outperform a Toyota. I am a mechanic, and I am not joking around. I see what breaks and what keeps running. You can get reliability without paying the big bucks. I have seen these things last for decades. Get ready to go car hunting with me today. Let us get started with number 8. Number 8, Nissan Xterra, 2011 and newer. The Xterra does not get nearly enough credit. This is a true body-on-frame SUV. It is built like a real truck, just like the famous Toyota 4Runner. But you can save thousands of dollars here. Look for prices around $9,000 to $12,000. If you research these, you will hear a name. The strawberry milkshake of death is the name. An internal radiator flaw caused a massive mess. Coolant and transmission fluid would mix together. That mixture would destroy the entire transmission. But here is the good news for you. Nissan fixed that issue after 2010. The 2011 and newer models are safe. You get the 4.0-liter V6. The engine code is VQ40DE. It is a high torque and tough engine. Mechanics like me genuinely like working on them. It will go off-road and tow heavy. It runs the same at 200,000 miles. The fuel economy is not very good though. Expect under 18 miles per gallon in reality. But for a truck-tough used SUV, it wins. This machine can really take a serious beating. Number 7, 2011 to 2014, Subaru Outback 3.6R. Most people buy the 4-cylinder Subaru Outback. I understand why, because of the gas mileage. But those buyers are missing the big picture. The 4-cylinder has a CVT transmission. High mileage and CVTs do not mix well. The 3.6R is a different beast. It has the powerful 6-cylinder flat-6 engine, and it uses a traditional 5-speed automatic. That hardware difference matters for long-term reliability. The engine is the EZ36D. It uses a timing chain instead of a belt. It avoids the head gasket issues of the past. Enthusiasts know this is the best Subaru setup. It is the most reliable configuration they ever built. It handles mountain grades without breaking a sweat. You can tow without any CVT drama. If you see a 3.6R, buy it. It is a massive value play for your money.
Number 6, 2014 to 2016, Mitsubishi Outlander GT. Most people roll their eyes at a Mitsubishi. I understand the skepticism from many car buyers, but the GT trim is a different vehicle. The standard 4-cylinder has a CVT transmission. You should skip that one and keep looking. The GT trim has a 3.0 V6. It comes with a traditional 6-speed automatic. That combination changes everything for the owner. Owners on forums call this powertrain bulletproof. You only have to do one important thing: replace the timing belt every 100,000 miles. That is the one maintenance item you cannot skip. You also get a great all-wheel drive system. It is legitimately good in snow and mud. Mitsubishi does not hold resale value like Toyota, so your $10,000 budget goes further. You get a newer car with much lower mileage. It is not as refined as a Honda, but it is absolutely reliable if maintained well.
Number 4, 2012 to 2015, Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is extremely practical for families. It has 3 rows and tons of cargo space. It has more headroom than most new crossovers. It is built on the durable J35 platform. The models from 2012 are the sweet spot. There is one thing you must know first. The VCM system shuts off cylinders. It was designed to save fuel on the highway, but it can cause spark plug fouling issues. It also wears out engine mounts very fast. The fix is a device called a VCM muzzler. It tricks the computer to keep all cylinders firing. It is inexpensive and very easy to install. Beyond that, the Pilot is a total workhorse. Change the transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. These trucks can push past 300,000 miles. That is incredible for a $15,000 car. Number 3, 2009 to 2011 Honda Element. The Honda Element is a very underrated vehicle. Honda stopped making it after 2011. I think that was a big mistake by them. The used market shows how much people love them. It is built on the same bones as a CR-V. The mechanical foundation is solid as a rock. The interior is rubberized and easy to wash. The suicide doors open wide for your gear. Dog owners and surfers absolutely love this car. clean elements still hold their value very well. The final models are the most refined ones. It has a solid 2.4-liter engine. The engineers spent time making parts better. It is a bit loud on the highway though, but it breaks down very rarely for owners. It is one of the most dependable buys today. Number 1. 2013 to 2014 Honda CR-V. Here is the number 1 spot on my list. The 2013 and 2014 models specifically. Do not buy the 2015 or 2016. These 2 years use the K24 engine. They are paired with a conventional 5-speed automatic. Technicians will tell you this engine is legendary. It is one of the most reliable engines ever. In 2015, Honda switched to Earth Dreams engines. They also switched to a CVT transmission. Those changes added a lot of unwanted complexity. The 2013 and 2014 avoid that. The engine uses a timing chain, not a belt. Watch for a rattle during a cold start. That usually means a worn cam phaser part. It is a known issue but very manageable. Change your oil every 5,000 miles. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. Owners routinely hit 250,000 miles. While everyone else is overpaying for a Tacoma, the CR-V is sitting there, affordable and proven.
So there you have it, my friends. 8 SUVs that can genuinely go the distance. Most are available under $12,000. You do not have to overpay for reliability. You just have to know which years to buy. And now you have the inside information. If this helped you out, please subscribe today. We do these deep dives all the time. Thanks for watching and happy car hunting.
The secret bonus king, Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 2010 to 2012. Now, I have a very special surprise for you. This is the vehicle every mechanic buys for his wife. It is the legendary Lexus RX 350, specifically the models from 2010 to 12. I know what you are thinking right now. Lexus is just a fancy and expensive Toyota, and you are exactly right about that part. But that is why it is so damn good. Underneath the leather is a heart of pure granite. This SUV is the gold standard of used cars. It is the ultimate secret weapon for smart buyers. You can find these around 12 to 15,000. They are everywhere on used car lots in America. Most people think they are just boring luxury crossovers. But as a mechanic, I see the truth. I see a machine built to a higher standard. Let us talk about the heart of this beast. It uses the 3.5-liter V6 engine. The engine code is the 2GRFE. This is arguably the best V6 ever made. Toyota put this engine in almost everything they built. It is in the Camry and the Avalon and Sienna. It is even in the Lotus Evora sports car. That tells you how much engineers trust this design. It is a naturally aspirated masterpiece of engineering. There are no turbos to fail or leak oil. There is no complicated hybrid system to worry about. It is just a solid block of high-quality aluminum. The power delivery is smooth as warm silk, but it has enough grunt to merge on highways. At 200,000 miles, it still feels new. It does not burn oil like the German rivals do. It does not develop mysterious knocks or pings. Now let us look at the transmission system. It uses a bulletproof 6-speed automatic gearbox. This is not one of those modern jerky transmissions. It shifts exactly when you expect it to shift. It is designed for comfort and extreme longevity. Some people call it a rolling couch for a reason, but I call it a tank in a tuxedo. Now listen closely because this part is vital. Even a Lexus has a few small weak points. The early models had rubber oil cooler lines. Over many years, those rubber lines could degrade. If they burst, you lose all your oil fast. That could destroy your engine in a few minutes. But here is the simple mechanic fix for you. You can swap them for the updated metal lines. It is a very simple and cheap insurance policy. Once you have the metal lines, you are set. The water pump is another thing to watch for. They usually start weeping around 100,000 miles. If you see pink crusty leaks, you replace it. That is basic maintenance for a car this age. The interior quality of a Lexus is legendary. Even after 10 years, the seats do not crack. The buttons still click with a solid feeling. The dashboard does not rattle like a cheap toy. The sound insulation is world-class for the price. You will hear less road noise than a new Honda. It makes a long commute feel like a vacation. The all-wheel drive system is very capable. It is not a hardcore rock crawler like an Xterra, but it will handle any snowstorm with ease. It will get your family home safe every time. The resale value on these is very stable. If you buy it for $12,000 today, you can probably sell it for $8,000 later. That is after driving it for 5 whole years. That is the lowest cost of ownership you can find. Do not be afraid of a 150,000-mile Lexus. If the service history shows regular oil changes, that car is just getting warmed up for you. It is the smartest way to spend $15,000. I would drive this car across the country tomorrow without checking anything but the tire pressure. That is the level of confidence Alexis gives you.